Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: charged device, Wi-Fi off if testing cellular drain, and a notepad for baseline numbers. First, open battery settings and note health percentage and cycle count because they determine savings potential. Next, close background apps and enable low power mode so you can measure immediate improvements. Finally, run a short screen on test for 15 minutes, record screen time and percent used. Once done, you'll have a clear baseline to compare later steps against. You now tackle the detailed execution. Go app by app and revoke background refresh, precise location, and push privileges for anything non-essential, because background wake-ups are a top drain. Next, set brightness to a sensible percent, shorten screen timeout, and drop high refresh rates to 60 Hz when possible. Then update the operating system and apps to get efficiency patches, remove unused heavy apps, and disable widgets. Make sure to reboot after changes, so background daemons restart under the new settings. You finish by running a controlled 24-hour test with normal use and compare results to your baseline. This validates the improvements and highlights regressions. If you see abnormal drain, inspect wakelock logs, force stop or uninstall recent apps and check for firmware updates. These often resolve stealthy wake-ups. If problems persist, backup data and perform a settings reset or factory reset as a last resort. One tip: if the device still drains fast, test another battery or consult repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.